Before assembling the Whisper 3i, you should familiarize yourself with each of its parts. Here we have the airline tubing, the diffuser, the filter cover, the filter cartridge, and the air pump. You are now ready to assemble your filter. Start by inserting the filter cartridge into the filter. Next, connect the diffuser to the filter. Now connect the airline tubing into the air pump and to the filter. Attach the top of the filter. Finally, install the filter inside the aquarium by pressing the suction cups against the aquarium glass. Plug into an outlet. Your Whisper 3i is now ready to use.
This setup was done dry, but Tetra encourages you to use water for your filter to run effectively from startup.